In a groundbreaking effort to enhance justice for survivors of sexual and gender-based violence, the Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency (DSVA) has launched a vital training initiative for court officials. The agency hosted an intensive training session for court registrars and presidents of customary courts at the Lagos Chamber of Commerce and Industry in Ikeja. This initiative aims to improve the speed and quality of justice delivery for those affected by SGBV.
Sensitizing them on what sexual and gender-based violence is, the types, the forms, the way it presents, and how they can recognize and support survivors while holding perpetrators accountable is very important.
DSVA Executive Secretary Titilola Vivour-Adeniyi highlighted the overwhelming caseload. She disclosed that the agency managed over 8,000 incidents in 2024 and proposed creating stronger referral pathways between the courts and the agency's support teams to provide victims with swift protection and counseling. She credited Governor Sanwo-Olu's political will under the Things Plus agenda, but insisted that policy alone is insufficient. Vivour-Adeniyi advocated for ongoing judicial education focused on trauma-informed practices and a commitment to zero tolerance for gender-based violence throughout the justice system. Other speakers echoed the gravity of the issue, with experts describing SGBV as a global pandemic rooted in deep power imbalances. Aside fostering collaboration between customary court precedents and the DSVA, the engagement also aimed at ensuring that the judicial system not only punishes offenders but also supports survivors and prevents future abuse.
It's a social phenomenon, and it's very good that Lagos State has been on the leading advocacy for eradication of sexual gender-based violence. However, I still notice that it's still being tilted more to female abuse and not males, because there are so many men, young boys and even older ones, that are being abused, especially in the area of homosexuality. It's simply because these people will not come out. They will not come out to tell people what their experiences are.
If a woman is being accused or is being told that no, you are not respectful, you are not submissive, and as a result of this, the woman is being ill-treated, we see it as gender-based violence. A man could be the type that the wife beats, and then he may be ashamed to report it. But during the proceedings, a case is always treated on its own merit. During the proceedings, you will be able to see and know the root cause of the problem, why they have come before the court to resolve their issues. What you should do as a customary court president is to refer it to the gender-based violence agency in Alausa, because you should not be seen as taking sides with any party in the court.
As the Lagos State Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, the SVA, takes these important steps, the hope is that survivors will find not only justice but also a supportive environment where they can reclaim their lives. Love Oyedokun for Cable News 24.